Be sure to watch out for porch pirates trying to ruin your holiday season this year. I'm Kurt the Cyber Guy, and a wave of Grinches nationwide are causing a rise in porch pirate thefts. Just look at this guy. Gets out of his pickup truck in Rialto, California, and goes and swipes Al Diaz's father's gifts that had arrived, including a Medalla watch up to $1,000 and some pajamas for his dog and himself. Oh, what a Grinch. Guy got away, but the police are on the hot trail thanks to video caught from this video doorbell. Online shopping and delivery services have definitely made shopping for the holidays a lot easier. But that means there are also lots of packages being delivered on doorsteps, and people are following these shippers as they come down. The UPS guy, FedEx guy. It means lots of opportunity for deliveries to just mysteriously disappear. And that's leading to close to 290 million packages stolen in 2021. That number only going to grow this year as online orders skyrocket this time of year. It's estimated that $19.5 billion worth of goods have already been ripped off from porches across the country in the last year alone, and the authorities are getting more involved than ever. For example, local police in Van Alstyne, Texas, are allowing residents to get their packages delivered directly to the police station. Nice job. They're open 24/7, and all the residents have to do is show up with their ID and pick up their packages safely delivered right there. But let's be real, most police stations aren't going to be offering that luxurious service, so here are my top tips to outsmart porch pirates this season. First, invest in a video doorbell. Installing one could potentially stop a porch pirate dead in their tracks, and even if it doesn't, you'll at least have video proof, and if you have live alerts set up, you'll be able to catch them red-handed. You can even go a step further and install cameras on trees around your driveway, which would potentially get a lot clearer shot of that license plate as a crook's trying to get away. While this won't guarantee you'll get back your stolen merchandise, it will at least give you some more information to report the incident to your local police. Next, get a secure delivery lockbox for outside your house. You can help ensure your packages will be securely delivered and not taken by porch pirates before you get the chance to bring them inside. Delivery drivers get used to these things, knowing to place the package into the top of the box, and then they're lowered into the lock chamber that is below, only accessible to you. And not only do these lock boxes protect your packages against thieves, but they're great for weather protection so you don't come home to a soggy package if it's raining out while the delivery is made. If you don't want to invest in a lockbox of your own, check to see if an Amazon lockbox is available in your area. That's where you can have some packages delivered there a lot more securely. Next, stay alert for pirates in the neighborhood by joining community watch apps like Neighbors or Nextdoor. Neighbors often post pictures of the thieves caught on their doorbell cameras to warn others nearby. Finally, get to know your delivery drivers. Next time you see your mail carrier, introduce yourself, and maybe you'll be able to ask if they can leave the packages in a more inconspicuous place than in the front porch, right where they're easily accessible to the crooks. Porch pirates usually grab easily accessible items so that they can run out of their car, snag it, and get out of there before they get caught. For more ways to protect your home and your family, head to cyberguy.com and sign up for my free newsletter.